So here we are at Market Square in San Antonio. It's a beautiful, hot day. This is supposed to be the largest Mexican store, I guess you would say, La Tiendas. Here, this is huge. So I'm gonna join my wife. We're about to go check out the store and see kind of what's up. Check it out. It feels good in here too. Oh yeah, the puppets. It looks wild, don't it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Let's go walk around. Tijana por vida, Tijano por vida. So I'm coming here looking for something like this, like a cowboy hat probably. That's what I'm looking to buy. Trying to look like Walker, Texas Ranger. Just in case, you know. We're here early. Some of the stores haven't opened yet because it's still kind of early. But it looks like to me you got a couple of margaritas and micheladas. And they have some more micheladas. Pizzeria. Ooh, aguas frescas, which I love. And some statues and things. So beautiful. I always love these things. I'm so scared walking through here with my backpack on because it's all glass. Horns here. It's funny. But yeah, this is where it's at.